The aftermath, this is us trying to pull out of the boat. Truck's right there. That's the boat now.
We're trying to pull a watercraft out of the water.
Yeah, we're trying to pull a watercraft out of the water.
Move it.
Why did he come out of the car?
He's fine. I told him he could come out.
He needs some.
We're doing it. We're doing it. Just go.
Grandpa!
I think we need to get in this.
Y'all want to go help?
And what's up, Dad?
You want us to help?
You want us to help?
Thanks, Daddy.
Dad!
Hey, yo, Dad!
Yeah, you should go help.
Oh.
I want us to help.
What do I have to do to pause it, Alex?
Press it. Pause it. You can't pause it. You have to stop it to press that.
Press
It's
what?
something in your pocket.
Alex, pull it on down.
Alex is gonna go. So this is the aftermath, and we're trying to get the boat out of the water. No, because when your feet, you can use your feet. There's traction.
They get stuck in the mud. You use the
Does he go after us? And we got it.
Now press that button.